Product Review Number 1. Best Overall, Intex Ultra Frame Rectangular Pool Set. Who else recommends it? Good Housekeeping and Forbes both picked the Intex Ultra Frame Pool Set. 12. What do buyers say? 87% of 4,000 plus Amazon reviewers rated this product 4 stars or above. A leader in all above-ground pools on the market, the Intex Ultra Frame Pool Set comes with everything that you need to set it up and start splashing. It comes in 3 size options that allow swimmers to find a pool that will work for their backyard space. Installing the Intex Ultra Frame Pool Set doesn't take professional skill or equipment but requires site preparation, a level space that's clear of vegetation, protruding sticks, and rocks, with compacted soil that can support 8,403 gallons of water when the pool is filled. It takes 2 or 3 people 1 to 2 hours to set up. Dimensions: 288 by 144 by 52 inches. Shape: rectangle. Water capacity: 8,403 gallons. Frame: steel. Setup time: 1 to 2 hours, after site preparation. Product Review Number 2.
Best Budget, Bestway Steel Pro. The Bestway Steel Pro above-ground pool comes in multiple sizes, offering something for every backyard and budget. One of the easier options to set up, you simply unfold it, set up the PVC frame, and 3-ply tear-resistant liner and fill the pool. This pool includes no pump or filter, so expect to do a bit more cleaning to keep the water clear. Purchasing a pool cover can be another great way to keep debris out of the pool. Given its affordable price, it is still cheaper to purchase additional accessories separately than to splurge on a pricier pool. Dimensions: 144 by 30 inches. Shape: round. Water capacity: 1,710 gallons. Frame: PVC. Setup time: 1 hour.
Product Review Number 3. Best with Steel Frame, Intex Ultra XDR Pool Set with Sand Filter Pump. Similar to our top pick, this round pool from Intex has a durable steel frame and puncture-resistant 3-ply pool wall. The powder-coated steel support beams, which connect via sturdy, durable T-joints, resist rust and blend into the pool's contemporary gray outer color. When it's time to disconnect the pool at season's end, best done by at least 2 people, simply press a button at the joint to remove the frame pieces. The pool includes extras you would expect at this price point: sand filter pump, ground cloth, removable ladder, and pool cover. The ladder is particularly important, helping to keep kids from accessing the pool without supervision. Dimensions: 216 by 52 inches. Shape: round. Water capacity: 6,981 gallons. Frame: steel. Setup time: 1 hour. Product Review Number 4. Best with Pump and Filter, Summer Waves Elite Above Ground Swimming Pool with Filter Pump. This pool is quite large and is great for neighborhood summer get-togethers. The pump and filter on the Summer Waves Elite Above Ground Pool works efficiently and is compatible with a lot of upgrades. The pump works with an included standard filter, a sand filter, or a saltwater system filter. The pool also comes with a skimmer, pool vacuum attachment, and cover, which help keep out debris and dirt. The kit includes a sturdy ladder, as well as a ground cover that reduces the potential for punctures. The exterior has a basket weave print, but it's unavailable in any other color or pattern. Dimensions: 240 by 48 inches. Shape: round. Water capacity: 8,241 gallons. Frame: steel. Setup time: 1 hour. Product Review Number 5. Intex 48 inches metal frame pool with cartridge filter pump. Brand Intex capacity 4,440 gallons. Product dimensions: 180 L x 180 W x 48 inches. High. Shape: round. Color blue. About this item: triple strong, super tough laminated sidewalls are reinforced with an all-around band to keep frame legs firmly in place. Product description: beat the heat all summer with the Intex metal frame pool set. Engineered for strength, this pool is supported by strong, durable steel frames which are powder-coated for rust resistance and beauty. This pool will make your backyard the place to be all summer as your family can relax and play. Triple strong, super tough laminated sidewalls are reinforced with an all-around band to keep frame legs firmly in place. Ready for water in 45 minutes. Ladder. Ground cloth. Debris cover. Setup and maintenance DVD. Convenient drain plug that connects to a garden hose so water can be drained away from pool or house area. New dual suction outlet fittings improve water circulation, resulting in better water hygiene and clarity. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button, press the bell icon, and comment below. Check out the description to find the product.